Violet. I'm Maddie's pet. My owner isn't here right now, so I was just thinking, what the heck, why don't I make a video? So anyway, hi, welcome to my house. It's really cool. And anyway, today is going to be a great day, as I just said. I want a tummy rub. Rub my tummy. Rub my tummy. Rub my tummy. You look cute. I want to go on the other side of the glass to see you. Ah, I love you. So anyway, yeah, my name is Violet, and I am Maddie's pet. So anyway, my owner isn't here right now. She's out doing some other stuff. But while she's gone, I thought, what the heck, why don't I unveil my secret that I can actually talk and do a little video? So anyway, yeah, I'm going to make a little video of me today. What is that? What? I see a bird. I want to sleep now. Okay, I'm up. So anyway, yeah, I'm back to sleep. Okay, so anyway, let me show you around the place. This is my play and eat area where I like to sleep, eat, and play. This is my litter box over here. This is my scratching post and my teddy up there who scares me out of my mind. Why are you so creepy? So yeah, that's that. Let's go over here. Over here's nothing. I'm going to show you my butt now. And we're going to go over here. So yeah, and that's basically the whole house for right now. I think I'm going to buy some more stuff, but for now, I think I just want to eat. Thank you. Whoever did that. That's tasty. You know, get out of here. Get out of here. Okay, so yeah. Oh. You're adorable. I like you. Hi, I want to give you this. That's the sound I make when my owner's here. But I don't usually say it around. I do it around her a lot, but I don't really talk around my owner that much because she doesn't know that I can talk. But yeah, anyway, a little bit about me. I am what am I again? I'm a cat, so I'm not that very good with what I am here. Dang it. I am so sorry. I do not know what I am. Let's see what I am. I am a Turkish Angora, and I'm a girl. So yeah. Yeah, I'm a Turkish Angora. And I am Maddie's pet, Violet, and I was actually brought into the world a couple minutes ago. Brought home a couple minutes ago. I was born last year, and I was so cute when I was born. I was so little. So anyway, I think I'm going to play now. I want to play. Just sitting on top of my little wooden mountain, and I'm looking cute. Now I'm going down here, because I want to go over here, because is that a mouse? Where am I? Oh, there I am. I don't see a mouse. I want a mouse. I want a mouse. What? Ooh, toy! Yay! Squeaky toy, dang it. I don't know what's happening. I think I'm going to decorate my house a little. Because I'm adorable. I'm a little kitten. I'm a Turkish Angora. Now, maybe I'll add in this. Yeah, I like this. This is going to be my bed. Yeah. Ooh, look, there it is! And my toy! What's my toy? Just gonna sit here now. New cushion. I'm playful. I'm a little tiger. So anyway, yeah, I don't know what to do now. Just gonna scratch at my pillow and look around, I guess. I'm so bored. I'm mad at you. Was it because oh, okay, I'm good now. Oh, the screen. It's so pretty. I love the screen. It's so pretty. And so soft. It smells like catnip. It smells like catnip. I just want to rub my head against it and touch it. I love it. I love this. Yeah. Just rubbing my head against the glass because it smells like catnip and it smells tasty. I just want to eat it all day. Yummy catnip. Okay, I'm done. I'm just going to touch it a little more. Okay, so anyway, yeah, that was weird. I'm sorry I touched the glass so much. So, yeah, that's just some things I like. I like to touch the glass and smell it. And it makes me feel happy when it does. Although, I do get kind of upset when Maddie leaves. She is my owner, and I miss her sometimes. I get mad when I miss her. Can you hold my tummy? Thank you. Thank you. So, yeah, I miss my owner when she leaves. But that's okay. She comes back sooner or later. But I like her to see her come back now. What is that? What is that? I'll eat it. What was that? Ah! What the heck? I'm gonna eat it. Stop it. Stop it. I don't like it. I don't like it. Stop it. I'll eat it. I'm a tiger. I'll eat it. I'm too cute. Stop it. That was fun. I like that. Ah! What is happening? I'm a tiger. Stop. Stop the bubbles. Thank gosh, it's gone. Oh, thank gosh. That was scary. I didn't like that. Ooh, bear! Bear! I'll eat you, bear. I like you, bear. I'll get you one way or another. What the? Get you one way or another, bear. Dumb old bear. I'm tired. Catnip. Catnip. Ah! What is that? Ah! Really? Who did that? Go away. I'm a tiger. I'll eat you. I don't like this. I'm so mad. Stop it. Stop it. I don't like this. That's kind of funny, actually. Go away. Go away. Finally, it's gone. I didn't like it. Rub my head, please. It'll make me feel better. What? I miss my Maddie. I miss my Maddie. I miss my Maddie. Rub my head, rub my head, rub my head, rub my eye. Yeah, rub my head. That feels nice. It smells like catnip. The glass smells like catnip. Meow! I'm just gonna touch it. And I'm gonna rub my face on it. Cause it smells like catnip and I like catnip. Meow! Why do I meow? What am I doing? I'm just gonna touch it. It's like mesmerizing. And I'm gonna rub my head on it. And meow! I love this thing. Touch, 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 touch. Oh, it feels so nice. I just love this glass. Okay, I'm done. I'm a tiger. Rawr. Just staring now. Rawr. I'm angry. Angry kitty. Ah! What was that? Go on this way. Wow! What is that? What was that? That was scary. That was really scary. I think I'm gonna buy some stuff now. I'm so scared. I'm gonna look this way now. And I'm gonna buy me some stuff. I'm a little kitty. Ooh, a bed. That looks pretty. I like this. I like my stuff. My stuff is great and grand and I like it. I like my stuff. Yeah. And I like this. Thanks, Hughes. So anyway, my owner is still gone and I'm not knowing what to do. Is that a butterfly? It's a butterfly! It's a butterfly! It's a butterfly! I want the butterfly! Give me the butterfly! Give me the butterfly! Get it! Get it! Get it! Get it! Get it! Come here, you little bugger! Come here! Come here! Come here! Get over here! I want you! Get over here! Come on! Come back here! I want to get you! Come on! No! Come back! Come back, you little bugger! I got you now! I got you now! Come on! Come on! I got you now! Come on, please! I want that thing! I got you! Yes! Give me a belly rub. Thank you. I got the butterfly. Yeah. I'm tired now. I pray. That's what I see some people do. Oh, I miss Maddie. I miss her so much. I just want to sleep. And I want Maddie. Are you Maddie? Are you my Maddie? I want my Maddie. I want my Maddie. I want my... Hey, Violet, I'm home. Maddie! Hi, Violet. Hi, I missed you too, Violet. I missed you too. Now I'll be right back. I gotta go put away the groceries. Alright? Oh my gosh, she's back! I miss her so much. Okay, so that's good. That's all I have to do for this video today. And anyway, so yeah. I hope you have a fantastic time as my idol, as my owner's idol. Dan TDM or Dan Meow DM. It says, have a good day, and that's all for today, folks. Goodbye. That's weird. Why is this on record? Off.